Okay, you got your carpet out, but you haven't finished yet. First you need to hoover it and then wash the fuck out of it.
Podgon Production.
So first, we gotta get down to some sucking of dirt, that is. So now we've got crazy suction. Just suck up all this shit. So that will take you a bit of time. So hope you're charged up on your medicines. So stage 1 complete. Already looking much better. And interesting thing that I've discovered is that if you chuck away this dirty, disgusting filter, your shitty old hoover turns into a very nice wet carpet cleaner. Look at all this dirty water and shit coming out of there. So another new discovery by the genius that is Moa. So after you've done plenty of sucking with this and your carpet beginning to look something like this, next you need to give it a good old scrub. So I like this shit because it only costs £1. And trust me, it does the job. You don't need any expensive crap. So give it a good shake. And I would put it everywhere. Let it soak. And then you can start scrubbing. Just put plenty everywhere. Don't be Jewish with it. It only cost £1.
Don't be a pussy. Scrub like you've never scrubbed before. Let's get all this sand. Loads of shit.
And now get one of these and get to scrubbing. And you can see all the sand and shit is coming out from everywhere. That's good. So the idea of the scrubbing is to get all that shit out of here. And then we'll give it a blast with the pressure washer and then hoover it all up again. And only then it's gonna come out very nice. Where the dirt hasn't quite come off, obviously apply some more.
And then scrub like a motherfucker.
Okay, now I think we need to get to pressure washing. Okay, once you've done all your scrubbing and sucking and blowing, you need to pressure wash this bad boy. And look at all this black water coming out of it. Look at all that shit. Look, we've been doing it for about 5 minutes now. And look how black all this water is still. Oh yeah, baby. Do both sides, empty all the shitty water out, and then repeat the process. So make sure you pressure wash all the bits and do it until your water becomes clearer. Look, you can still see all this fucking black water here, man. Yeah, that was dirty shit. Oh, look. Okay, now you can tip this dirty water out. You can still see it's not immaculate, but it's getting there. Give it another blast in a minute. Oh, I need both hands to tip it, but basically tip all this water out. It's looking much better already. Oh, I'm so chuffed with this device that we made. Look at that. Looks like a fucking carpet cleaner. But it's just a shitty hoover that I bought for a tenner to clean cars. Oh yeah, baby. By sucking out all the water, you make it lighter to carry to your garage or whatever, and then you need to dry the back of it as well. So plenty of sucking. Okay, once you've given it a good old wash and hoover, you need to dry it out obviously, so take it somewhere warm so it doesn't piss it down, and then where you can get warm, fucking all wet and shit. So the final stage, you wanna give it a good old dry. Don't burn it with your heat gun. A little trick, my homies, to get all this water out. Shitloads of water. Is to get your hoover, and as you can see, sucking the water out, because all this is foam, you know, eventually it will suck it all out. I mean, I would do it to get all the main water out, but then just leave it to dry, or use a hairdryer or something. Yo, it's night time and we're working, baby, as always. So the carpet has soaked down, kind of dried as much as it can in winter conditions. So now we need to help it drying a little bit. So I've also sucked the moisture out with a hoover. So, you know, when it's all wet, now it won't help. I've pretty much sucked. So a bit of sucking goes a long way, guys. Yeah, you put it like that and it basically will suck all the water out. Now we need to dry it. So push. Also push all the water out with your fingers. See, still some water in there. And you know, help it get rid of all the water, and then use your hair dryer or heat gun, but don't put it too close or it will melt it. So kind of like that. Don't get stuck in the same place. But push it. It might take, you know, an hour or two, but it's got to be done. I mean, if you live in a hot country, then it's great. You put it outside and Mother Nature does it all for you. But here, I mean, this country is gonna sink anyway underwater soon, because it never fucking stops raining. Plus, with all the ices melting, gotta run. Run, motherfuckers, run. Dudes, I need to dry this carpet ASAP. Look at all this fucking water still. And I've got geezer coming tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but day after. I really need to get it all in a good nick. I mean, what I've been doing is taking this roller like this, and you can actually push the water out, see? You're pushing all this water out. But still, it's gonna take ages and ages. So I think I'm gonna try to hang a hot lamp on here above it so it dries it. But I haven't got a lamp, so I'm making one. First, you need to grab some energy, as it's late, it's Sunday, and we've been fucking caning it, baby. Yeah, this kind of lamp I'm talking about, this will warm it up nicely. Oh. But first, we've sorted our light. Here's our carpet, chilling out in the sun, enjoying the sunshine. So this should get quite warm, and I'm hoping it will dry this section, and I'm gonna move it and then keep it on for about 24 hours and then dry it, because I really can't be asked. I'll probably need to give it a hand with the heat gun as well, because there's a shitload of moisture in there, shitloads. See, it's a pain in the fucking ass washing the carpet. Pain in the motherfucking ass. Well, anyway, we'll carry on tomorrow. We'll go a couple of days until our customer comes. So hopefully it'll dry. Peace. Hey, yo, what's happening, brothers and sisters? It's getting late, but we're still on the grind. And what we're doing is this. We've got these seats in our lovely office, as you know our office now. Driving for good, because there's